Hello there. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly clone an aftermarket remote, which is this one, and clone it to this wired xhorse remote. First things first, gonna do this fast. You have to open this and take off the board. I usually use a lighter to do it. Take this off. Don't put any battery on it since it's a wired remote. You connect this, your keytoolmax programming cable, and connect it gently. I don't know if you can see this. That's it, it's connected. And then just choose clone. Remote clone. This doesn't have any transponder in it. It's just an aftermarket remote. It actually works. It's here. So just press clone. And then choose special clone. And then start clone. It will ask you to press the lock button. So do it. Lock button. Press again. Press again the lock button, which is this one. It's asking you to press it again. It's now asking you to press the unlock button and the unlock button again. If it fails, just follow the instructions. That's okay because it's a rolling code. You just have to be patient with this. It's now asking you to do the trunk button, but we don't have that, so let's skip it. It's asking you to press the panic button, which is this, and do it again. So hopefully this will be cloned. Since our remote board is connected, you just press clone. When it says burn success, you press complete. Exit the menu, as I always do, and take off the board. I'll just set this up. Hold on for a while. Take off the board. Install a battery. Should be a new one, a branded one. Don't use cheap batteries, please. Then test the remote if it works. So it works. I'm gonna show you. It's the unlock button, and it works. And the original remote still works. Now we just have to put it back. There's a slot here. I don't know if you can see it. And please like and subscribe the page. I'll be doing more videos that might be able to help you guys or guide you through it. Page will feature diagnosis, programming, repairs, and the likes. So I usually lock it gently because I don't want the notch to be, then I'll do that and we test it. Now it works. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. It's an xhorse wired remote. We successfully cloned this aftermarket remote installed on a 2006 Corolla, also known as the Altis. Let's try it again. It works. It now works, and that's it. Please like and subscribe to the channel and share it to your friends. It will be a big help. Thank you.